Oh, guys, uh, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, guys, I just urge you to put a subscription. Also, you can press the notification bell so that you'll be getting our daily updates. When we upload a video, you get notified. So, without wasting time, guys, let's back to our content of the day. As you see, guys, we are now in the server room. This is as you see, I am removing the smoke detector cover. At the entrance up in the ceiling, you see we have a fault smoke detector. This is a server room, guys. As you see, we have a lot of items. So we are replacing the fault smoke detector. As you see, I'm climbing the ladder so that I can remove the fault smoke detector and replace with the new one. So guys, continue watching. For the returning subscribers, I just want to thank you. For the returning subscribers who return to view or watch my videos. So I salute you guys. You are doing a good job. For those who have subscribed to my channel, I just thank you guys. Continue watching my contents. And for those who are new to my channel, maybe you are this is your first time to watch my content. So guys, after watching, just subscribe to my channel. Press the button subscribe. Then you can share to your friends. Also, you can press a button to like. Also, you can comment down there. So guys, as you see, I am on the ladder. So due to the angle of the camera, is not able to focus where I'm fixing the smoke detector, but it's just I'm just fixing on the up in the ceiling. So continue watching, guys. Stay tuned to my channel. So guys, this is a road to 1000 subscribers. So guys, we are now 182 subscribers. So I just urge you guys to support my channel by subscribing. At least we reach at 200 subscribers. So guys, continue watching. don't go to sleep before watching this content up to the end. For those who are entering the mall, just take the remaining 10 minutes to watch this content. So this is the fault detector, as you see, the fault detector. So please watch it and subscribe it. So you see, so I am confirming, is it truly the detector is faulty, or it is just a dust? So as you see, this is the sensor, the sensor. So I am checking if this sensor is faulty, or if it contain dust, so that I can remove the dust and leave the detector working. But guys, let's continue watching and see if truly the sensor for smoke detector is faulty. And if I just find that it is faulty, I will just automatically replace with the new one. So I just worked with the several detectors, the heat, the smoke detectors, the dual. So in case I find the fault detector, I just change it automatically or automatic. So my beloved subscribers or my beloved fans who are following my content, as you see guys, this is the sensor. Yeah, it is fault. So I have found that the the detector is faulty. So I just want to replace it. It is a process, guys. So you need to remove the ceiling, also tighten the base at the ceiling, so that you then do the termination for the existing wiring, the line, the in and out line from the panel. Then finally you you just fit the sensor on the base. So this is what I am doing, guys. So you can be worried, because in that area my cameraman was not able to focus it very well. So guys, I'm sorry for that, because the cameraman did not focus it very well. But hope you are following my videos and you are learning something about fire alarm, fire suppression, fire extinguishers, fire prevention cover. So guys, hope you know how to use fire extinguisher. You know different parts of fire extinguisher. You know what is fire control panel. When I talk about fire prevention covers, you know what is fire blanket. You know where you can apply it, where you can use fire blanket. So guys, Again, I just want to thank those guys, the fans my the guys who have subscribed to my channel and they are following my content. So they are coming back, the returning subscribers that are watching my content. Without you guys, I can't move, I can't go anywhere. So that's why I sacrifice myself to bring this content, because guys, you are my boss. So this is the screw, the star. You see the red one is a bell. The work of bell in a server room is to alert in case of fault alarm or there is an emergency. This is connected to the panel, and we give it a timer, maybe a 5 minutes timer. When the panel sense the fire, it sends signal to the bell. The bell will start ringing to alert you. So the timer will give you a certain period of time. Maybe it is a false alarm, so that you can come and reset the panel. If you don't come to reset the panel, then the extinguisher will extinguish the server room. So guys, I'm fixing the base, the new one now. Forget about the old, that the fault smoke that we have removed. Now I am fixing the new smoke detector on ceiling. As you see guys, fixing and doing some terminations for in and out line. So guys, continue watching. So after fixing the base and doing the termination, I have to confirm if the signal is there. So I will confirm the signal by measuring the current, the DC current. The detector uses 24 volts, 24 to 12 to 30 DC volts. So when I measure the DC current, I have to get at least 21 to 25, 21 to 30 volt DC. So you see guys, this is a multimeter. Now I want to check if the signal is there. So if you have not subscribed to my channel guys, I just urge you to subscribe to our channel, support us. Without you guys, we can't do anything. With your subscription guys, we can go somewhere. This is road to 200 subscribers. Guys, we are now 182 subscribers. Guys, you see I am now fixing the sensor. I have already taken the readings for DC if there is signal on that line. So I'm fixing the smoke detector. the new smoke detector. You just turn, then it, you see, I've already fixed, and then return the ceiling on the position. You see, that is our smoke detector, guys. So, guys, continue watching. Continue watching, guys. So I have already fixed that detector which was faulty. Now I'm continuing to service the remaining detectors, checking whether they are working, removing the dust by blowing using the blower. Actually, guys, we are in the server room, and the server room is so cold. Even I am feeling some coldness. So, as you see, this is the detector we are blowing. We are blowing it to remove the dust, guys.